Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Methylene Blue. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an energy drink or an energy drop. So it basically restores your electrolytes. So third-party tested, uncompromising purity, formaldehyde free formula for clean supplementation, high purity solution. 1% methylene blue solution is meticulously crafted to enhance brain health, balance electrolyte infusion for optimal cellular hydration. So it is basically just like water. So as you can see, it's the #1 bestseller in electrolyte solutions, and it's actually rated 4.4 out of 5 stars here on Amazon and with 1,000 ratings. So let's read some reviews here. As you can see, great product, game changer for energy and mental clarity, effective, convenient, clarity, consistent. Of the product, daily marathon review. Great high quality product and effective, a must try, highly recommend, and a lot more good reviews. So if you want to try this product out, this product seems to be very legit. And yeah guys, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.